For the big NFL fans, tomorrow may be a day where you're inside a lot. It's the first Sunday of this NFL season. But I do recommend finding some time to get outside, as it does look absolutely spectacular, very comfortable, very football-like weather, with numbers starting off in the upper 40s and highs getting into the mid-60s by the afternoon. There's less in the way of a breeze tomorrow, so the feel outside, certainly with a lot of sunshine, is more bearable than it was today with the gusty winds. Showers are pivoting on down from Minnesota, Wisconsin, but they're losing a lot of their punch, and other than just some additional cloud coverage the next few hours, I expect us to stay dry overnight tonight. We'll see those clouds peel back after 2, 3 in the morning, and that will lead to temperatures like this early tomorrow morning. Low 40s, and wouldn't be shocked, especially as winds really relax and those skies clear out, to see a few folks drop into the upper 30s. So it will be chilly, no doubt about it, starting off the day tomorrow. But by the afternoon, a lot of sunshine, less in the way of wind. Will be a bearable feel outside, and we'll see those numbers recover into the mid-60s. Still much more of an October feel than a September one. By tomorrow night, another cool night in store with those mainly clear skies. We'll see those lows fall back into the mid to upper 40s. But notice by Monday, we're seeing those winds switch around to more so out of the south. That's going to help warm us on up. And that's really the theme of this upcoming week. A slow and steady climb upwards. It's not going to be a dramatic rise in temperatures, but towards the end of the week, we'll see those highs closer towards average, if not a little bit above average. The average high is in the upper 70s this time of year. There is some shower activity. You see that this is Tuesday afternoon off towards our west, but I'm thinking a lot of that stays off towards our west outside of just a rogue shower Tuesday night into Wednesday. It's overall a week that features limited rain chances. Here's the temperature outlook. This goes from Friday through the following Tuesday, so September 12th through the 16th. And it's a signal that if you're not quite ready for the fall temperatures you may enjoy, it's showing above average temperatures during that stretch. How about the rainfall forecast? Well, parts of the area, mainly off towards the south of Rockford, are beginning to see a prolonged period of dry weather that's been going on since August. Not as bad the further off towards the north you go, but we're looking at the next 7 days featuring not much in the way of rainfall. The better focus of showers looks to be well off towards our west. So very minimal rainfall accumulation over the next 7 days. Certainly any rainfall that does happen will not be meaningful. 41 degrees tonight. It's a partly to mainly clear night. Tomorrow, less in the way of winds, northwest 5 to 10, highs in the upper 60s. It's actually a beautiful afternoon, and we have a bunch of beautiful days this week. Look at those highs going from the upper 60s back into the mid 80s, so pump the brakes. We're not quite ready to go into fall just yet. It's a return to at least highs that are more reminiscent of August than they are September.